Hey guys, welcome to Man Time. It's a little chilly today, but we're going to jump into it. The project for today is changing out some headlights on a Subaru. So if you've never done that and are interested how to do it, stick around and we'll get them changed out, get some new ones on there. The problem I had with mine, they're old and the sealing around them, I guess, rotted away or whatever, so water was getting in there and it was blowing the headlights, or blowing the bulbs, because there was moisture in there. And I tried sealing them, that didn't work, so I've got some new ones here and we'll put those on there. I'm tired of replacing out and changing bulbs, so let's do that. First things first, we'll start off with the hardest things to get off. You've got to take the front fascia off of this to get the headlights off. So there's some little pop rivets underneath the fender there. We're going to start there because those are the hardest ones to get to, and then we can move on from there, and I'll show you all the different stuff you have to take off to get these headlights off. It's not as simple as just unbolting and unscrewing stuff. You got to take that whole plastic front fascia off of there. Possibly the grill here. It's been a while since I've done it, but we'll figure it out. Welcome to Man Time. Alright, the first pop rivet is right up under here somewhere. Yeah, right in there. Let's get in here and get this off of there. Alright. I heard it kind of tumble down and through there, so... But now we can get that off of there. And there's some other little tabs on here. Like that there. Yeah, take a look there. Little tabs in there that are holding that in place. Next thing we're going to do is pop these out. And all these little pop rivets, they just have a center pin. You just pry up on that center pin and then they come right out. So, take them all the way out. We got some bolts here for the headlights. I'm still not seeing, let's see if that's a 10. Yeah, it's a 10. I'm still not seeing where the other bolt that holds this on is. It's down here somewhere. And let's see. Yeah, it's up under here. I was thinking I might be able to leave the fascia on here and be able to get in there and get to it, but I'm going to have to take it off. There's some more of those pop rivets like this in the bottom side of it there. And yeah, I'm going to have to take those out. So we've got the front bumper off there. Now it's just a couple of screws right here that hold it in. Don't mind the firing range. Sounds like that every weekend out in the country. It's a great freedom that we enjoy out here as Americans to fire guns on our property. So, oh, looks like there's one more. And that one's right over here. Coming from this side, looks like. There we go. There's one with a little Phillips head on it that was in the side here. Now what do we got? Looks like a little pop deal here. There we go. Alright, and here is our plugs. Twist and pull. And on this side, we got a retain pin, and that pops right out. Okay, here's the old headlight. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's nice. There's got a little blemish there. Another one there. Ah, it looks alright. Man, that looks nice. Alright, so this is, I guess, a TYC brand. Made in Taiwan. Let's see here. Oh. Okay, so it does have this metal plate on it, which is good. And it's got the bulbs in there already. And it's got lights in it. Oh, Sylvania. Nice. And let's just see here. Got the same plug. And a light in there. Yeah, light in there. Okay. Yeah, so this comes fully assembled, ready to go. So let's just pop it back in the car there. I'm gonna have to get the bulbs out of those two plugs, and then we'll put the plug in there, and we should be all set. That one's gone. Yeah, it's even got a new one of those in the new headlight. All right. Okay, we got our slot emptied there. Got our plug-ins here. Got a plug-in there. And it should just slot into here and then slot in somewhere over here, and then we'll bolt it in here. Well, that popped right into place there. Okay, good. Yeah, let's get some bolts in here. Old versus new there. Yeah, I'm going to say new is a little bit better in this case, huh? Alright, let's see if it works. Alright, if I didn't mention it before, these are all 10mm. So you've got one on top, two on the sides here. There, and then one on this side down here. Okay, and then other than that, there's just a little plastic piece here, and that kind of pinches from either side to get it out. Or you can just break it off, because the new headlight has new ones there. Okay. Plug there. Plug here. Alright, old headlight. Look at that water. Oh boy. Yeah. Well, yeah, see, I drilled holes. I drilled a hole there, and I drilled a hole there to try to get water to drain out of the stupid thing. And yeah, I guess the water wasn't draining out, but it would fill up. Before I had those holes drilled, it would fill up with water to like there. Yeah, these new ones don't line up exactly right. And you'd think for the price, even though they're aftermarket, they're running about $200 a piece. I think they could do a little something better with the fit up. It's amazing how fragile this whole front fascia ecosystem is. I mean, there's literally like 10 pop rivets that hold this thing together. And this thing, which is your bumper, I guess is just held in by these little tabs here. So those go in there and over there. It just kind of sits there. Alright. And then, let's see, our front fascia. And let's see here. Don't forget to grab your pop rivet that fell down behind here. We'll need to have that put back on in just a minute. It's all filled with mud. Okay. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today on Man Time. We got some new headlights on the Subaru here. It should be ready to run for another 200,000 miles. Probably waited a while too long to change those out. Yeah, 200,000 miles on this old thing. But I've redone the heads and put new head gaskets in there and reseated the valves, and it does alright. It needs new rings, but I'm just going to go ahead and keep on running it. Thanks for joining me today on Man Time, guys. Get out there. Have you some man time too.